Ever since the financial meltdown of 2008, the banking industry has taken a bit of a black eye. Much of that may have been deserved as far as some of the big-name commercial banks and lending institutions are concerned, but in many communities across the nation, local banks remain a resource that small businesses can still count on.
The biggest distinguishing factor with a community bank compared to a big bank is that community banks are focused on the customers. All the employees are very customer-oriented, and there's very low turnover in a community bank as compared to a big bank. The customers can walk in and see us and meet us and know that get called by name as they walk in the bank.
Hey Bobby. Hey Chris, how are you? Doing well. How are you doing? Good, good.
Today, Brookhaven Bank is particularly focused on the special needs of small businesses. In fact, at Brookhaven Bank, more than 30% of our loans are to small businesses, as compared to 15% for most other banks.
Brookhaven Bank was formed in August of 2007 to provide service to entrepreneurs, to small businesses, to the local consumers.
What we strive to do is become a true financial partner to our clients, and that's only done through time and learning what keeps them up at night, and also developing that relationship so that we can drive a consistent relationship delivery. And I think that makes us different from bigger banks where you become more of a number instead of a true asset to the bank.
Dixie Industrial Finishing in Tucker, Georgia has been in business for over 52 years. They recently switched from a large commercial bank to Brookhaven Bank.
You know, we were dealing with a large bank for a number of years, and we were getting the services, the products and services that we needed, but again, it was quite a revolving door, a turnover of relationship managers. And so every time we get a new one, I'd feel the need to bring them out here and educate them on our business, show them, how our business operates, so that we have the confidence that they're looking out for us, putting us in the right structure, able to set up, lending that would be appropriate for us.
While community banks certainly did not contribute to the financial crisis, they are feeling its effects, as they must also comply with all the new federal regulations that have been imposed largely as a result of the actions of the commercial banks and lending institutions.
I think the new regulations have made it such that we're a little bit less flexible and we're less efficient, and the cost to comply internally has gone up.
Unlike large commercial banks, small community banks have a vested interest in the local economy. In spite of the many new regulations, they remain focused on the needs of small businesses in their community.
We were contacted by this local community bank, Brookhaven, and Bobby came in and we talked, and he shared with us what they could offer. And we feel like they understand our business, and being a small bank, they can relate to the needs that we have and not fit us to the box that the big banks try to fit you in.
We have a bond of trust that develops between ourselves and our clients, and allows us to be very consistent with our product and service offering. And so that consistency of relationship delivery is critical to meeting the needs of our clients, each one of whom has their own unique challenges to face.
In a small business, cash flow is the lifeblood of the business. And for us to be able to have access to credit and have lines of credit established that are tailored to our needs is very important. Being able to pick up the phone and have money transferred when we need it is very important. Often with the big banks, you call in and you can't reach somebody, or you have to get routed around to the right person. And with Brookhaven, there's just a small core of people that if someone's out, you know who the other players are to be able to talk, that they can help meet your need.
It's very important to the customers to be able to see the same face every time and have the customers know them. In addition, the customers not only know their lending officer, they know the president and all the executive officers also.
I think that the focus on the employee-bank relationship is absolutely critical when it comes to community banks. It allows us as employees to be invested in the bank and the success of the bank, because we know that we too, just like our clients aren't a number, we're not a number either. And it allows us to have the confidence when we go out to the market and tell our clients, I'm going to be here with you for the long term.
They're not bound by a big corporate structure to where they are treating all businesses the same. They recognize that each small business is different, and that they will have different needs and can structure things differently and cater to it. And that's where they've helped make us successful.
Small businesses throughout American history, have been the driver of the American economy. And while small businesses certainly didn't lead us into the economic climate that we're in, we firmly believe they're going to be the catalyst that brings us out. So we're doing what we can do to support our local community and our local businesses in that effort. And furthermore, we too are a small business and think we are uniquely qualified to meet the challenges they face, because we face many of the same ones.
They make banking extremely easy, and it's in a time, a difficult business climate where so many things distract you from the core of your business, dealing with healthcare, dealing with insurance, dealing with taxes. Our business with Brookhaven Bank is such that I don't have to worry about that. We have the confidence that those pieces are in place for a long time to come, and we look forward to a long-term relationship with Brookhaven Bank.
While Brookhaven Bank may focus on small business banking, as one of Atlanta's leading community banks, we also offer a full line of products for your personal banking needs.
There's no way we can be a true financial partner to our clients if we can't meet their needs on more than one level. So it can't stop at small business banking. We have to be able to meet their needs for their personal needs as well. And in doing so, do we have every single product that they want? Maybe not, but the ones that we don't have, we have solid referral partners who value the same things that we do, and we have 2 great locations with great staff who are the true face of our bank.
So why not stop by either of our 2 branches on Clairmont or Johnson Ferry roads? Come in and meet the face of community banking and see how at Brookhaven Bank, success breeds success. For more information, visit us on the web at brookhavenbank.com.